Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video tutorial on how to fix problem with Windows Defender. Specific to error, you'll need new app to open this Windows Defender. So I see a trend with this issue common to some Windows 10 and 11 users. So I hope this will help you get your Windows Defender running and your computer secure. So this is a fix using a PowerShell command. You can run this to fix this issue. It has worked for me and for most of my customers. So I hope this works for you as well. Just follow the instructions step by step and you'll have a Windows Defender running by the end of the video. So to start with, on the search menu, type PowerShell, right click the Windows PowerShell app and run as administrator. Just click yes on the prompt and the PowerShell window will open up. So there is a command that I entered in the description. Just find and copy and paste it. So this will be the command on the notepad. Just gonna copy it here. So this one, copy and paste it to the PowerShell window. Let me try again. Alright, and after that, just hit enter. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After the restart, as expected, your Windows Defender should be working. Just go ahead and test it. But if it's still the same issue for some reason, then there's another command on the description. There's a different command for Windows 11. There's another command for Windows 10. So make sure that you identify the version of your operating system and use the correct command based on the version of your OS. So there is a command for Windows 11. You will only want to copy and paste this portion. And for Windows 10, only this portion as well. So you gotta do the same thing with the first command. Copy and paste it and hit enter. Same thing with Windows 10. Alright, so restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After the restart, as expected, your Windows Defender should be working and running now. But if it's still the same issue for some reason, then most likely it's a problem with the operating system or the user profile. So to create a new user profile, just open settings, go to accounts, family and other users, click someone else, add someone else to this PC. So you don't want to sign in with Microsoft account, we want to use a local account first. So add a user account without Microsoft, just fill in the information, the username, the password, and so on. Once done, just select this and you should see the name of the new user profile. But if it's still the same issue for some reason, then most likely it's a problem with the operating system and the operating system needs repair. So if you're using Windows 10 on the browser, just search download Windows 10. Alright, and look for Microsoft.com, download Windows 10, this image ISO file. Under the Create Windows 10 Installation Media, click Download Now. It will download the creation tool. Just open it and run it. Select Upgrade this PC now and just let it run. If you're using Windows 11, search Windows 11 download. Look for Microsoft.com, download Windows 11. So under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click Download Now. It will download the file. So select the ISO, not the USB. Once the ISO is downloaded, right click the ISO, mount, and run it. It will automatically repair the Windows 11. So thank you. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.